For everyone who applied for the Naoris protocol early access, check your email right now and you can see a link directly from them which you can use to create your account. Now, for those who did not apply or for those who did not get the link for any reason, I'm going to be showing you how to complete all your registrations on this particular video. Okay, this particular project, Naoris protocol, they have raised more than $10 million. They are going to be using to build their project, and it is an AI project. So I'm going to be dropping all the links you need in the description of this video. Follow them one after the other to create your own account and start mining. So how it works is that you are, first of all, you're going to install their own wallet. They have their own private wallet they're going to be installing. So we are not going to be using MetaMask for this. We're going to be using their own private wallet. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to install the wallet from Chrome Web Store. You can see that. So after installing the wallet from Chrome Web Store, it will bring you to this particular page here. Welcome to the Naoris protocol wallet. Sign in or create a new wallet. So what you need to do here is you need to create a new wallet. Okay, create a new wallet. Don't import an old wallet. Whenever you're doing an airdrop and they have their own personal wallet, it is always best for you to create an entirely new wallet and use it for the airdrop. So next, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be creating a new wallet. Make sure you save your seed phrase, because without your seed phrase you can lose your access to your wallet and everything you have worked for. So after creating your wallet and saving your seed phrase, then you should make sure that you set in a password for your wallet and then paste the referral code. So check the comment or description of this video. You're going to see a referral code there. Please use my referral code, paste it here and click on create the wallet. Okay, so once you click on create the wallet creating, just going to take a few steps and then this is it. This is done for now. Follow these next steps below. If you are using a laptop computer to complete this, you can pin the extension on your browser. So just pin the extension if you are using laptop to do this. If you are using phone like I am doing here, then you have done everything you need to do. You can always find the extension here from this extension icon. So once you click on it, then you will see the Naoris protocol. Look at the wallet extension here. So this is the first thing you need to do. Once you are done with this, then we return back to this particular guide here. The next thing we need to do is connect to the testnet. So I'm going to click on start testnet. Okay, start testnet N5 Naoris testnet point. How it works is log in with your Naoris wallet. I'm going to click on login wallet. Choose the way to connect. The code to this particular, the link to this particular website here where I am getting the guide, I will paste it in the description of this video. Okay, I will also write it out so that it will be easy for you. So I'm going to click on connect wallet and then here you click on Naoris Chrome extension. Please don't use MetaMask for this. Use their own wallet extension because that is what you are testing. So I'm going to click on Naoris Chrome extension. I will select my account and connect. Okay, so I'll connect. Then the next thing you need to do is to install another extension. There are two extensions we are installing here. First one is the wallet extension. Second one is the Naoris protocol browser security node. All right, so you need to install this one as well in order for you to start earning points. So I'm going to click on install. I'll click on install and it will take me to Chrome Web Store. Remember that every extensions you are installing, you install them from Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store is like the Play Store for browsers. Just like your Android have Google Play Store, your iPhone have iOS Store, right? This Chrome Web Store is where you come to download any extensions for your browser. I'll click on add to Chrome. So once that is installed, once your Naoris protocol browser security node is installed, the next thing you should do is to return to this guide page. Then you need to log in with your X account. So I'll click on login with X account. Sometimes this might give you an issue. This login with X account, sometimes it gives you an issue, it might not work, so you can always close it and try again. So I'll click on authorize app, and then once that is logged in, I'll be redirected back to the guide page. So I have logged in successfully. So the next thing is to follow Naoris protocol on Twitter. I'll click on follow, proceed, and you'll be directed to Twitter. So I click on follow Naoris protocol. Once I am following them, I'll return here. So I'll click on claim points. Okay, now good, that is good. Now all my tasks are completed. The last thing you need to do is to click on claim points here. Points will be added to dashboard. So I click on that. I'll need to confirm it with my wallet. Okay, so I will sign this. Yeah, processing and good. Testnet guys, let me see. So now that you have completed all of those tasks, the last thing you need to do is to click on this extension icon here. You click on the extension icon, then you select the Naoris protocol browser security something. Once you click on it, it will bring you to pop up and open as an extension like this. If it does not open up this way, if you are using a mobile device, because you might experience some issue if you are using a mobile device. So if you experience it that it does not pop up this way, what you need to do is put your browser on desktop mode. Okay, so always put it on desktop mode if you are facing any issues. So but if it does not give you that issue, the main thing is that it is supposed to pop up like this and show you this particular display that you are seeing here. Let me put it on desktop mode so that you can see what I'm talking about. You'll notice that the display will be different. I'll click on Naoris protocol. I'll open it as a browser on its own. So okay, I'll put it on desktop mode now. You can see that the display is different now. Now what you need to do is that you need to turn on protection. See this particular button you see here, click it to turn on protection. What this thing does is that whenever you are browsing with your browser, like you want to connect wallet or you want to use any decentralized application, this particular extension here will always act as a security guard to make sure that you don't connect to a malicious website, you don't get hacked. So this is a very useful tool to help you whenever you are browsing online. Okay, so I'm going to click on turn on protection now. That is turned on. So here you can see my wallet balance. Okay, then you can see Testnet dashboard. Once you click on Testnet dashboard, you're going to see everything about the Testnet. Let me go to Testnet dashboard now. From Testnet dashboard, you can see all of your earnings, your daily earning, how much you are earning just by using the browser. Okay, so this is it now. I can come to earnings here. From earnings here, you are going to see how much you are earning. You can see today's earning. It is today's earning. You can see it is counting. So the more you use your browser for browsing and every other activity, the more you are going to be earning. Now this particular overall earnings is the earnings I have gotten from my registration. So always leave it active. Always use your browser to perform every other activities you are doing, because the more busy your browser is, the more points you are going to be earning overall. Now if you want to get your referral link to register to refer others, come to referral program here. From this referral program, you can get your referral link to share with others. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. If you have any question, always ask me in the comment section or contact me through the links in the description of this video, and I'm always ready to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now guys.